R.J. Phipps was hiking up Tuckerman Ravine on Mount Washington over the weekend with his wife when he took out his camera to shoot a snowboarder and skier. Within seconds, Phipps watched as the two men were nearly engulfed by an avalanche. Miraculously, both were able to scramble to the side of the avalanche and escape injury. Jeff Fongemie, acting director of the Mount Washington Avalanche Center, described the potential for an avalanche in Tuckerman Ravine on Saturday as considerable. He said avalanches are relatively common in the White Mountain National Forests, but rarely do they injure or kill anyone. Watch now to see the unbelievable footage of the skier and snowboarder